so too. Aiden Fox so too. If it isn't a little fuckhead boy who wants me to make a peace tweet video of Evan Tweet State. Trying to report me, huh? Well, screw you! What the hell am I reading? What the hell am I reading? It's Ripley's Believe It or Not, saying is believing. And I'll just find something that looks just like your thing. Hold on. Okay, so I hear that you're making fun of me. So, want to make fun of me? Well, I hear that you are such an idiot. So, okay, found it. This is you. Ha ha. This is you. So you are ugly. Make a peace tweeting video of me and 557 stuff, or I'll report your ass. Ha! How you like that? Making a death video of me. I'll make a death video of you! With a bird version of me! Red, Blue Jay, Chuck, Bomb, Matilda, Hal, Terrence, Bubbles, Stella, and Icy! That one will be including your big fat ass pig! Ha! You're the big fat ass pig! Ha ha! So now, it's time for you to be fucked up. Get a life. Bye.